Today I'm going to teach you all a non-BBC version Uncle Roger egg fried rice. First of all, just put in some cooking oil and then give it a good stir. Ayo, it is just a fried rice. Why do you afraid? Even a 3-year-old can cook. Add 2 eggs. You will need to add 2 eggs into the frying pan. But please make sure, you don't just drop the shell like me, as Uncle Roger won't be impressed. Now, add another egg. Here comes the rice. Look at how beautiful these are. These rice are washed and then cooked by measuring water with finger, no drain with colander. Add soya sauce, which contains MSG. MSG is the king of flavor. Now, just keep stirring and frying. Fry until the fried rice got the wok flavor, which is also known as wok hei in Cantonese. Look at this rice, which is not wet, not sad, not gloopy. Each rice is individually separated. Lap lap phân明 in Cantonese. When do you know this rice is ready? The tips is when you see the rice is dancing in the frying pan. Now add the final ingredient, spring onion. A clever way to do this is to cut it with scissors, so you don't have to wash the chopping board later. Then continue stirring and frying until all the spring onions stir through. Stir until the fried rice get the spring onion aroma. The egg fried rice is so cheap that it costs less than 50 pence to make, so don't pay £8 because that would be ridiculous. Remember, do not use metal spoon to scrape the frying pan, as this is a big no-no. Please use wooden spoon. Serve the rice in a traditional bowl, which is also known as gong gai wan. This is such a simple version of egg fried rice. If you use the leftover rice, you should be able to get this done in 5 minutes. Please give us a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe. Enjoy and see you later.